Hello everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can apply for a Commonwealth International Students Bank account. So on their official website, you will see this how to apply. So you click on that one and then you will see the international students. So you can apply if you're arriving in Australia within 14 days or if you're already in Australia. So you'll need to verify your ID or your passport at a Combank branch before you start using your account. So you just have to click on this open an account. So once you click on that, you will be redirected to this page. So from here, you will see the steps on how to apply. So first is you have to provide your details, including your name as it appears on your passport, your current address, email, and phone number. So you have to please note that you won't be able to deposit funds or transact on your account until you complete the step number 2. So the step number 2 is to visit a branch. So once you get to Australia, you can visit your chosen branch to identify yourself and order your debit card. So they just need to see your passport, your student ID, and confirm the countries where you're a tax resident. So for step number 3 is to access your money. So after your identification check, you can start banking straight away. So you have to download the Combank application, or you can also log on to the NetBank to manage your money securely. So you can use QR cardless in the Combank application to withdraw and deposit money at any compatible Combank ATM. And here's what to keep in mind. So you may be eligible for the Streamline Basic account, which has no monthly fees. So if you or anyone else you are applying with holds an Australian government issued Commonwealth Seniors Health Card, or even the Pensioner Concession Card or the Health Care Card, you can show this card at a branch, or if you're an existing customer, you can also call the 13222 to apply for the Streamline Basic account. So that's pretty much it. That's how you can apply, or how you can open a Commonwealth for international students. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!